Hello everyone. My name is Sheikh Zaif. I'm here to teach you about NFTs. These are the topics we'll discuss in this video. So what is NFT? NFT are non-fungible tokens. Well, what does the word fungible mean? Fungible means that are interchangeable, which can be divided into smaller units and form the same value. NFTs are non-interchangeable and each of them represents a unique asset owned by specific persons. Each NFT contains a distinguishable information like who owns the digital assets and who sold it, making them easily verifiable as it is impossible to fraud. How NFT works. NFT basically creates a blockchain-based digital certificate called smart contract for our digital collectibles including games, music, art and many more. The underlying technology used by NFTs are same as other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. NFT majorly exist on the Ethereum blockchain, a distributed public ledger that records all the transaction.
What is fractionalized NFT? A fractional NFT is simply a whole NFT that has been divided into smaller fractions, allowing different numbers of people to claim ownership of a piece of the same NFT. Take a NFT and split it up into many pieces and lock it up in a smart contract with the pieces and represent it in a form of ERC20 tokens, so that each piece has an ownership. Benefits: increased liquidity, more efficient price discovery, while reducing volatility. Own piece of expensive NFT, diversify portfolio over a more broad collection. Various thoughts about fractionalized NFTs. It is only through fractionalization that expensive NFTs can be made affordable with ownership democratization. The results of fractionalization are fascinating. NFT fractionalization is most likely destined to disrupt not only the world of fine art and gaming, but potentially even that of decentralized finance, DeFi, and investing as a whole. Top 10 NFT projects on TRON. Number 1. Craftly is a decentralized NFT marketplace that currently operates on the BSC and TRON network blockchains. Like many other NFT marketplaces, Craftly offers its users to create, buy as well as sell NFTs, rare digital items, and collectibles on a sing. Number 2. TRON apes are all programmatically generated from 170 plus possible traits, including expression, headwear, clothing, and many others. This random process ensures each ape's absolute uniqueness. Number 3. The Mutant Ape Yacht Club NFT collection was created to reward Bored Ape NFT holders with a second NFT that is substantially different but based on Bored Ape traits and characteristics. These related NFTs are known as Mutant Apes. Number 4. The Meebits are 20,000 unique 3D voxel characters, created by a custom generative algorithm, then registered on the Ethereum blockchain. The NFT contract that governs ownership is a standard ERC721 that works with any compatible service or exchange. Number 5. Punks is one of the first NFT projects to issue NFTs on TRON. It takes the concept of the famous NFT project CryptoPunks, and gives a TRON-based counterpart. The project has proven to be rather popular, as it sold out its collection of the 10,000 punks it had minted quite quickly. Like CryptoPunks, each punk NFT has its own unique attributes. Number 6. TRON Bulls are a celebration of the TRON community. When we look beyond the speed, the low transactional cost and the efficiencies of TRON, makes it great in the community. TRON Bulls have non-visual traits that interact with future GameFi projects. Number 7. TRON Ninjas is introducing GameFi. According to the project's website, TRON Ninja NFTs can be used as one's character to play on the platform's arcade. Users can also upgrade their NFTs with in-game tokens. Number 8. Devikins. Developed by Moon Labs, Devikins is based around an RPG game of the same name, where players' avatars are represented by NFT characters. Each Devikin is unique with different attributes such as rarity, personality, and affinity. These attributes affect how your Devikin will grow and progress in the game. Number 9. The 12 Digital Zodiac Heads is an NFT art collection that draws inspiration from China's zodiac heads. The NFT collection is apparently a remarkable and significant artwork in the Chinese region, hence it was valued at around 1,545,000 used. Number 10. Invisible Friends NFTs is an Ethereum-based NFT that was created by Marcus Magnuson and is part of the Random Character Collective initiative. Invisible Friends NFTs holds a collection of about 5,000 animated NFTs. It is important that it does not have a roadmap listed on its website. Hope you've gained some knowledge through this. Push your feedbacks in the comment section.